February 1st, Sunday. So I woke up around like 7:30. That's crazy. It is cold. Alright, I gotta brush my teeth and then just chill. I'm not sure if I want to clean the girls' rooms because it's cold and I just want to chill because it's chill outside. I have to take my lashes off because one of my eyes was kind of getting a little irritated. So I took off my lashes. And so I'm gonna look like a naked mole rat today. I really do need to clean the hallway, like vacuum, but I feel like my husband did that last weekend. Or maybe I'll just start on Avery's room or Everly's room first and then just declutter their toys and then just go from there. But yeah, if I do end up cleaning, I'll hop back on here. So I kind of took a little break. So this is Avery's room that I have to organize. It's organized, I just need to organize some more. So I had to put up this name plate that I had ordered and then also put up flowers that I purchased from Lauren. Yeah, I'm finally gonna put that up because I have been slacking on that. And also just kind of just clear through some of the squishmallows because I feel like my girls don't really like squishmallows and I stopped collecting them, so that's pretty up there that I need to organize. But I'm mainly just clearing ground stuff. If it's already up there, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now until I have boxes on boxes of toys I have to clear through. But I'm gonna wait till probably spring break time, or you know, just wait till, you know, like mid-year and just declutter through that. But I'm only decluttering the stuff that's already out. So for instance, these I need to declutter. Organize the books because there's some books that are too baby, and so I'm gonna go ahead put that up and just give her like the older book. Breeze name right here, and then I have her middle name, Sky. To put up that on this wall, but like I said, I'm gonna organize some more stuff first, like books and things like that. It's definitely not the design that Lauren recommended, but I just put it on how I felt like and just put it on there. But this is her name, Avery Sky. I know I'm hiding the E and a little bit of the K. It's because it's kind of like, yellowish right there, so I really need to have some time to paint it, but I'm not gonna paint it right now. So it looks a little jumbled right here, but it's okay. I mean, Avery says she likes it, so we'll leave it at. Cleared off the floor a little bit, so this is just a play area for her. I cleared all this off, cleared all that. Everly's room. Okay, so this is Everly's room. So I set that up for her because she's been wanting to draw, so I'm gonna leave that there. I cleared this section, like decluttered all the toys that she doesn't need. I need to put this up because that doesn't go in here. And then organized, cleared her book area a little. I need to bug Lauren probably to buy some more flowers addition because it was a lot more than this, but Everly and Avery pulled it down. So I just been leaving it there because this is how Lauren did it. Lauren did Everly's when she was a little baby. So it's usually like one section to one section. But with the other one, I'm just like, it's okay. I definitely need to redo it for sure. But yeah, because Lauren did this. Beautiful flowers. But yes, I cleared off the floors. I have basically organized everything like I wanted to. So I just need to hang up these clothes. I will hop back on here because I got some new keycaps that came in. The little key switch thing. Alright, so this is my new keyboard. I just got it yesterday. And I got it off Macari, so it's like hella cheap. But it's pretty affordable. It does have the RBG under. So I'm going to unplug it. So these are the keycaps for a little close-up. These are the keycaps that my little sister bought me for Christmas, but I'm switching it up. And then here's my keypad. This one's just a cheap one from Amazon, but I use the same keycaps that my sister got me. So this one has been tossed and everything everywhere. So at least it's taped, so I know it wouldn't have slid everywhere. With this keyboard, it's an Alice keyboard, but it's like a smaller one. This one is the Nico small keyboard, and with this one it has two B's for me to type with, but I am trying to see if there's any extra B in here for me to use. Ah, they do have an extra B. Thank goodness. Okay. So it's taped on here. I was trying to keep one side taped so I could be a little bit more organized, but... Okay, so, alright. Let me go ahead and take these keycaps off. is 10:20. Sunday, February 1st. So I'm talking to my sister, but I'm about to call her tonight because yeah, it's been a long weekend, but at least I cleaned both girls' rooms. I am happy with that, the outcome, and so I'm about to go to sleep. So I just got finished playing Heartopia with my sisters and playing Repo with my hubby and my sisters, and then also playing Heartopia for my daughter Everly because she wants to play with me and my sisters, but she's not up to the level that we're at, so I'm having to do that so she can kind of be like, you know, doing some of the competitions that me and my sisters are doing in Heartopia. So, but yes, I'm calling her night. Tomorrow's a school night. It's cold outside. Like, I can already feel this living room's already cold. So it's gonna be a cold weather, so stay warm this week. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another weekend vlog, and see you in the next weekend. Bye.